Hey everyone, it's Foxy Animal Jammer here, and here is Juniper Fairy Friend. That's me, and I'll also show. I'll switch my den right now. Go show you my ship. Oh, you guys. This is taking a long time to load. Let's just log out and then log back in. This is my ship. So let's shop for it. Okay, let's hear what we will buy. Ooh! Interesting. I think that's all we're gonna buy for now. Okay, let's put these in. Let's put that one right there. Comment down below if you guys like my den so far. I like it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.